Hi, this is Bhairavi Shah, and as you all know, I'm a tarot card reader, I'm a card reader, I am a numerologist and whatnot. Right now we are working with Lenormand basics and we have come to the card. The card number is 32, which is moon, and moon indicates, what does it symbolize? It symbolizes work. It symbolizes recognition, appreciation, honor, that is self-respect, credentials. It can mean success, but then it is mainly related to the recognition part of it. So even if it is success, you need to really get back to the profession part, the work part, especially the work part, and acknowledgement. So mainly moon is about professionalism. Usually these are the main aspects. If you would write it down and check what you get before and after the moon, that is just a two card reading, just a two card reading, and what you get before, if in case you're pulling a moon and you see what is happening before and what is happening after either of the cases in two card reading, you might get a gist of what it exactly means in regards to work, credentials, promotion, appreciation, recognition, fame. That is also the word work, professionalism. So these are certain aspects, meanings actually, not aspects. So now, for now, we are done with the moon card. See you in the next card. And please remember to share your love. If you feel the love, let people know, let me know, and like, share, subscribe, wonderfully comment. I'm open to gifts, so I love to receive gifts, cash or cards, I don't mind. And if you want to consult me for the reading or numerology or the courses that you might be curious about, please email me or check out the details on the links, and let's catch up with that too. Let's see how we contribute in each other's life, especially how good the life can turn out for you. Alright, so that's for now. Have a nice time. Bye.